Good morning everybody. Today we are going to study about the angles made by a transversal. First let us study what is transversal and what is the use of transversal. How it is got. We all have studied about the parallel lines. The two lines which are drawn unending or which do not meet each other, such a type of lines are called as the parallel lines. And if you draw a line passing through these two lines at a distinct points, such a type of line is called as a transversal. Transversal. And these two are our parallel lines. Now, we are going to study different angles. Here once when you draw a transversal passing through the parallel lines, different angles are being formed. We can get to see 8 different angles, and these angles are in different pairs. In what pairs they are? Let us study. The first one is the corresponding pair of angles. What is corresponding angle, pair of angles? Pairs of angles, let us see. The angles which are on the same side with the same measurement, such a type of angles are called as the corresponding. For example, this is our transversal. The angle, let's give this angle number 1. These two angles which are there on the same side of the transversal in a parallel line, such a type of angles are called as the corresponding pair of angles. And there are totally 4 pairs of corresponding angles. When these two are on one side facing on towards one side, they are paired. So the other one also, this angle number 2 and this angle number 2 are also in the same way the corresponding pair of angles facing towards the upper side. This angle which is facing downside and this are again in the corresponding pair of angles. Another angle, that is the 4th pair, this angle is also in the corresponding pair of angles. Now we are going to study the second one, that is the alternate pair of angles. Alternate pair of angles. What is this alternate pair of angles? Let me tell you. The angles on the different side of the transversal is called as the alternate pair of angles. For example, the angle which is on this side of the transversal and this the other angle which is on the other side, these two 1 and 1 are said to be in the alternate pair of angles. The other pair is number 2 and this angle which is on the other side again, these two are the alternate pair of angles, and they are also called as the interior alternate pair of angles. Another one is the angle which is here on the outside, and this are also can be said to be in the alternate pair of angles.